Okay, on this one, we're going to be writing an equation and then also answering a question about it. So let's look at this example here. Tom is a software salesman. His base salary is $1,800, and he makes an additional $50 for every copy of History is Fun he sells. So P is his total pay, and let N represent the number of copies that he sells. And then we're going to write an equation and use it to find how much he would get paid if he sold 26 copies. So he always gets paid $1,800 no matter what. And then, so if he doesn't sell any, he gets just $1,800. If he sells one, he gets $1,800 plus $50. If he sells two, he gets $1,800 plus $50 two times, which is $100. And then if he sells five, it looks like this. So I like this idea where if you think about his pay and kind of write examples, you can come up with an equation that his total pay is $1,800 plus 50 times however many copies that he sells. If he sells 26, we multiply that by 50 and add 1,800, and he would get $3,100. So we're going to do a problem very similar to that, I'm sure. Owners of a recreation area are filling a small pond with water. They're adding water at a rate of 28 liters per minute. There are 600 liters in the pond to start. W is the total amount of water in the pond, and T is a total number of minutes the water has been added. Write an equation relating W to T, then use this equation to find the total amount of water after 16 minutes. So if we look at just examples, so the total amount of water at 0 minutes is going to be, we'll just put at 0 minutes equals, it starts with 600, and then we're going to add 28 times 0, or just 0 minutes, which is 600. And then after 1 minute, there's going to be 600 liters plus the 28, which is 628. And then after 2 minutes, it's going to be 600 plus 28 times 2, which is 656. And then after, I'll do 10 minutes, we're going to do 600 plus 28 times 10, which is 880. So we have to do 28 times however many minutes and then add the 600. So our total, oops, better do capital, is W is equal to 600 plus 28 times T. Okay, so after 16 minutes, we're going to have to do 28 times 16 and then add 600. So 1,048 liters is how much is going to be in there. Okay, we'll go on to the next problem. A construction crew is lengthening a road. The road begins with 53. They're going to be adding 3 miles every day. Oh, there we go. We just wrote it. D represents the number of days. Write an equation. Okay, so we're just going to type this in. L equals, why don't they do caps for us? 53 plus 3 times the number of days. If you work 33 days, we have to do 53 plus 3 times 33, 152. Okay, we'll do one more. Sugar Sweet Company is going to transport its sugar to market. It's going to cost $4,500 to rent trucks. So that's our base amount is $4,500. It's going to cost an additional $150 for each ton of sugar. Okay, they're calling that S, I bet. C is the total cost. S is the amount of sugar. There we go. Just wrote the equation. So they kind of give you what you need right in the wording of it. So that's nice. Oh, we forgot to put C equals 150 times S and 13 tons of sugar. Wait, was it 13? Yeah. So 6,450. Okay. That's going to be the end of the lesson.